ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯁꯅꯥꯂꯩꯕ ꯀꯪꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟ ꯃꯤꯇꯩ ꯃꯌꯦꯛꯄꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯉꯥꯡꯈꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯦꯁꯣꯔꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯆꯔꯤ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖꯦꯁ ꯐꯤꯆꯔꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯖꯩ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯊꯪꯅꯥꯎ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯅꯥꯎ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟ ꯗꯤꯛꯁꯅꯥꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯅꯩꯅꯖꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ Page number 36 Meeteilol Waaheithangnau Meeteilol Dictionary Sam Yankai Taruk Suba Wahaida Karong Hai Mingta Noun Kaya Saudaba Pambi Makhal Ama Kaya Saudaba Pambi Makhal Ama English ki meaning da a small plant 156 word Karong Hai in Meeteilon grammar Mingta in English grammar noun Kaya Saudaba Pambi Makhal Ama Kaya Saudaba Pambi Makhal Ama. The meaning of Karong Hai in English is a small plant. Samag Yankai Talis Wahaida Karau Pingang Mingta noun Mamangayda Jingkwam Pamna Saba Pi Makhal Ama. English Haiga English ki meaning da a design of cloth manufactured by the Jingkwang Pumps. 157 word Karau Pingang in English, in Meeteilon grammar Mingta, in English grammar noun. Mamangayda Singkwang Pamna Saba Pi Makhal Ama. In English, the meaning of Karau Pingang is a design of cloth manufactured by the Singkwang Pumps. This is the map of Manipur. This is the northeastern side of India. This is Manipur. This is the enlarged form of Manipur. Meeteilon is the mother tongue of Meetei, present in Manipur and in outside Manipur. Meeteilol is the state language of Manipur. Meeteilol is also known as Manipuri language. So, Manipuri language is the state language of Manipur. Now, let us discuss about the Meeteilol dictionary for next. Uji Meeteilol dictionary gi matang asida makhatarpa amuk ajarake Samaga Yankai Nipan Suba Wahaida Kabacha Mingta noun Thong now Natraga Upuna Singbagi Makum Haiduk Haijin Yanaba Sizinaba Port Thong now Natraga Upuna Singbagi Makum Hangduk Hangjin Yanaba Sizinaba Port Lenghanaba Yaba Samna Pambai Port. English ki meaning da a thing used as a hinge for moving to and fro of the door and windows. 158 word Kabasa in Meeteilol grammar Mingta, in English grammar noun. Thong now Natraga Upuna Singbagi Makum Haiduk Haijin Yanaba Sizinaba Port. In English pronunciation of the Meeteilol word Thong now Natraga Upuna Singbagi Makum Hangduk Hangjin Yanaba Sizinaba Port. Lenghanaba Yaba Samnapambai Port. In English meaning of Kabasa A thing used as a hinge for moving to and fro of the door and windows. Next, 159 word. Kabrang. Kabrang means noun. Mugalang. Muga lang. In English, seal. 159 words. Kabrang. Kabrang. In Meeteilol grammar, minta. In English grammar, noun. Mugalang. Muga lang. The meaning of kabrang in English, seal. Adudi makha tabo oina Meeteilol the sinariba Meetei me si English ta ithokpa targadi karama mawngda nainage habdo unthokpage habdo amana nainazarke. Now let us discuss about the transformations of the Meetei me to English alphabet. Meetei me yaction lord Meetei me spelling. Esari wanda esari wan si leire saudaba haiba wahai asigi matangda nainazagadabani. Esi number 1 saudaba. Saudaba haibada si nariba unnasi rising tone ni English ta iuga mane. Adu sidaida unjidaida yetalum tap targadi masi kariga managadi habda falling tone ni oga mane. When lum is added to the right side of un, this is falling tone and equal to o. Taken as o. But when lum is not added to the right side of un, here un is rising tone and it is equal to, it is used as u in English alphabet. 11.1 the kauba adi falling tone ni kauba khongna kauba khongna kauba tuki baile in the case of the falling tone. Here lun is added to the right side of un, it is equal to o. Next, 8.12 kauba, this is rising tone. Kauba in English, the meaning of kauba is forget. From this we know that there is a difference between falling tone and the rising tone of kauba. That is, when lun is added, the meaning of kauba is khona kauba, to kick by left. But when lum is not added to the right side of un, this is rising tone, the meaning is forget. Therefore, when lum is added or when lum is removed from lum, there are different meaning in English. Therefore, lum is very important in English and in Meeteilol also. Next, 2.1 the lang. Lang habigi matang sida mo nainazarake. Here, S3 number 2 lang. The lang in English, lang seal. Therefore, lang jigi matang da nainazarake. Lang habi matam da L-A-N-G lang. Mingtak noun. Lasingdagi fi sanaba semba mari. Lasingdagi fi sanaba semba mari. In English, 3. But in the case of the lang, when long tone is present here, that is, atap is added, then A is placed here, lang. A is very important here because here lang, here lang. In the case of the lang, that is long tone, mingtak noun, first one, the meaning of lang is I makal ama. I makal ama. In English, a kind of text, rus. Number 2, the meaning of lang is sa usek phanaba kulai. Sa usek phanaba kulai. In English, the meaning of lang is net, zin, rep. From these two words, lang and the lang, we know that when written in English alphabet, in the case of the lung, only A1 is used. But in the case of the lung, this is in the long form, long tone, AA is used in lung. Then, there are two different meanings in the case of the lung when A1 is used. Here, the meaning is 3 in English. But in the case of the lung when AA is used, in the case of the long tone when atap is added to life, then the meaning is sa usek panaba kulai, sa usek panaba kulai, net, gin or trap or a kind of haze and the rest. Maramasina, I call English ki wahay da itora pamatamda, Meeteilol ki wahay da yauriba banal singase, e kaktang oigadra natraga, e ani oigadra haibse, I call yamna section a yemba amasangi, Kanagumbana hai e ani abse, Meeteilol ki wahay ibada, perhaps the haps selakani aduna, e ani oibagi mota, e ama oigadabani haina, the minor punct poyawe, mase agimotadi, mase, sumde haina lawi, maramdi karikino haibda, word amada, e amatang oiba, English sa itor kumatamda, e ani oibaga, wahan tokene haibase, mapam asida pijariba, lang amasung lang haibisina, may sing na ule, tira gasu, Meeteilol ki wahay sing asida, tungan ba wahay kaya song turikini, mamang da sumayama pija kre, matung da su, e ama oiba e ani oiba English sa ito ko matamda Meeteilol ki waya se maya ama thenarakhigani amadi tungan wahanthok loina laigani masigidi matang asida Meeteilol ki dictionary haibdi Meeteilol ki Waaheithangnau Meeteilol ki wahay mathang manau haijab loijare channel asigi mami Manipur languages features haina tawjai channel asibu hanba yengba oibiragadi like tawbi amadi comment kaya pibirau awala pa kaya su lebaki akhang aina phongdok pirau mathangi upload tawba matamda semdok sege yengbiraba khudinga ngangkam premesorna ikai khumnaba usari mathangi upload tawba matamda amuhana aikoi punna amu unaminasi